Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the FORMA Marine Teak Veneer boat table, a versatile and durable addition to any marine setting. This table boasts dimensions of 34.65 inches by 24.4 inches and stands at a height of 24.02 inches, making it a perfect fit for your yacht deck or even your patio. Crafted in Greece since 1978, it features marine-grade plywood covered with a teak veneer and solid teak edges, ensuring both elegance and resilience against harsh sea environments. The table's sturdy construction includes a 1-inch anodized special aluminum alloy tube and aviation-grade rivets, providing stability and longevity. It folds down to a compact 3.2 inches, making it easy to store in limited spaces, while its weight of 15.4 pounds ensures it won't be easily blown away by the wind. With smooth, anti-skid leg tips that protect your boat decks, this table is ideal for a variety of settings, from outdoor picnics to RV trips. Choose the right table height and size for your needs, and enjoy warm and responsive customer service from a brand that's been trusted for decades. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.